take a slow breath in and allow your body to release the weight of the day. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw loosen, and your mind begin to open as you settle gently into this moment. Before you lies a vast ocean, calm, endless, glowing with the soft pastels of a peaceful horizon. The sky at dusk stretches across the water like a quiet painting. Peach, lavender, pale gold, and soft blue blend together in perfect harmony. Each color reflects across the smooth surface of the sea, creating a mirror of serenity that seems to stretch into forever. Here, in this place, nothing is urgent, nothing is expected of you. You are simply allowed to be. Take another slow breath. Feel the air move through your chest, expanding gently. And as you exhale, feel a wave of release flow down your body, untying knots you didn't know you were holding. Imagine yourself standing at the water's edge. The sand beneath your feet is cool and soft. The air carries the faint scent of salt, warm light, and distant waves. Even though the water is nearly still, you can sense the slow rhythm of the earth breathing with you. A rise and a gentle fall. A rise and a gentle fall. With each inhale, the colors at the horizon glow brighter, as if welcoming you. With each exhale, the ocean smooths itself out even more, mirroring your own growing stillness. Let your attention soften as the sounds around you fade into a single, calming presence, the ocean itself. Nothing pulls at you here, nothing rushes you. This moment belongs entirely to your healing. Now imagine a warm, glowing light rising from the water. It drifts toward you in a slow, graceful wave, a soft band of golden calm that reaches your feet and gently washes over you. Feel it travel up your legs, your hips, your stomach, your heart, your shoulders, your face. Wherever this warm light touches, tension melts, thoughts quiet, and the mind becomes spacious and clear. Take another deep breath. Let the warm light settle around your heart, glowing softly from within. Feel how steady it is, how peaceful, how unshakable. This is your inner stillness, always here, always waiting to welcome you back home. The horizon begins to widen in your awareness, opening like a doorway into calm. You sense that the ocean is not just water, it is a sanctuary, a place where your worries dissolve effortlessly, where your spirit is allowed to expand, where peace flows without resistance. As you breathe, imagine your exhale traveling across the water, carrying away anything heavy, old stress, lingering tension, scattered thoughts, doubts, fatigue. With each release, the ocean absorbs them gently, transforming them into quiet ripples that fade into light. You feel lighter now, clearer, more open. Allow yourself to rest in this feeling. The pastel sky above you glows softly, as though painted just for this moment. The ocean reflects your calm back to you, steady and sure. Take one last slow inhale. And as you exhale, let your whole being settle into a deep, effortless stillness. You are safe. You are grounded. You are held in the quiet embrace of the ocean's gentle light. Stay here as long as you wish, breathing with the horizon, resting in the peace that rises from the water. returning to yourself, one calm breath at a time.